Hi there, welcome to the Toronto Boat Show. I'm Brock Elliott, General Manager, Campion Marine. This is the 2011 International Boat Show at Toronto, and I'd just like to explain to you why a Campion. Often at the show I get asked what differentiates a Campion over the competition and why should I be considering a Campion. I always welcome that question. It's a great opportunity for me to explain what we put into building our Campion, really what differentiates us over the other brands that are out here on the show. At Campion, we're committed to quality. We believe in building our products with the best products, the best people, the best materials. And that has never wavered through this economic storm. We're also committed to being the greenest boat company in the world. We are committed to building our products with the greenest materials we can possibly find. For example, we were the first company in the world to build our boats with Invares. It's a product from Ashland Chemicals. Invares is a bioresin product made with soybean and corn. We also have in our boats the MaxGuard low emission gel coats, and we also have EcoMate with the foam flotation, and it's a non-toxic product to apply the foam flotation. And for this year we're also introducing our upholstery foams with a soya-based product. We are constantly looking for new products that are environmentally friendly to be put in our boats. As I say, our goal is to be known as the greenest boat builder. We also like our boats to be extremely safe. We build our boats extremely strong. We have what we call the Big Five at Campion, and number one is we use three-dimensional weave fiberglass, commonly used in building hockey helmets that can withstand a puck at 90 miles an hour. And there's not many boat builders using this material to make it good and strong. And no damage, no breakage to our hulls and or the hockey helmets. We also use Kevlar for reinforcement down the keel. Okay, we're also demonstrating here our fiberglass integrated stringer system. And you can see this actually creates a hull within a hull, giving you a double liner in there, added strength to the boat. Our 550 Choise is a perfect example. It's the only 18-footer in the world, factory produced with a 320 horsepower option on it. Boat's extremely fast, but it's also very safe and very strong. This integrated floor system and stringer system allows us to put that much power in the boat and be very confident about it. At Campion, we also have our Apex hull, our fuel-efficient hull. Rather than going to a traditional conventional V here at the back, we put the step here in the hull here. This creates more fuel efficiency, allow the boat to get up on plane at a quicker speed and staying on a plane at a slower speed. Also, when the boat travels through the water, with the running surface being flat back here, but still having the deep dead rise up at the bow here, cuts through the waves nicely, and it settles down very quickly going through the waves, creating a more fuel efficient hull. Generally our hulls run anywhere from 8 to 10%. We do have some as much as 20% better. We also have Angele Graphics here, so if you were to be able to run your hand down here, you'd feel no tape lines. In this boat here, the red and the white are all the way through, so in the event that you were to scratch the boat, you could just wet sand this and buff the red or the white right back up. Also, when you hang your bumpers or fenders over the side here with no tape lines on here, you will not have any tape lines coming off. Last thing you want is to have a brand new boat rubbing up against the dock, your fenders and your bumpers, and have the new tape line come off. So we painstakingly put the Angele Graphics here. If you look down the side of the boat here, you'll see everything is nice and straight, smooth, and clean. No bleed through from the red into the white or the white into the red. We also have the Pacific Insight engineered wiring harness, where every wire on the wiring harness is individually labeled every 5 inches. So, for example, if it is the horn, it would say horn from the horn switch right to the horn. If it is the bilge pump, it would be right from the bilge switch right to the bilge pump, labeled bilge, nav, anchor, light, and so on, all the way through it. This eliminates a great deal of warranty claims and makes it very simple, and not having the need for a $100 an hour technician up at the helm and a $100 technician back at the transom trying to guess or decipher which wire is which. So this really helps out. So those are our Big Five. Just to recap, we have the Angele Graphics, we have the fuel-efficient Apex hull, we have the Pacific Insight wiring harness, we have the fiberglass stringer systems, and we have the three-dimensional weave fiberglass used in the hockey helmets and so on, and the Kevlar reinforcement. Thank you very much.